Hello, my name is Jamie Goulet, and I am an academic officer for Teacher-Created Materials. As a former EL coordinator, I have seen firsthand the need to better prepare students and teachers for the English language proficiency assessments, such as the WIDA ACCESS. These assessments are often seen as a compliance test, but they are really a powerful tool that shows us how multilingual learners are developing the language skills they need for success. Many students take the test year after year without understanding its purpose or receiving explicit instruction in the skills it measures, which can leave them feeling unprepared. Teachers also face challenges when they aren't familiar with the overall test structure and the language demands within each task and the measurement for student success. This makes it difficult to provide specific feedback and connect daily instruction to what students are expected to do. Thankfully, there's a solution for teachers and students. I present to you Language Essentials, a grades 1 through 8 resource that provides both practice and preparation. Through explicit instruction and guided practice, this comprehensive, flexible, and engaging resource is designed to build language proficiency across all 4 language domains: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Language Essentials connects academic language to meaningful content across the curriculum and real-world contexts. Teachers are provided with flexible tools to differentiate instruction and meet varying academic and language proficiency needs, helping students increase language proficiency and move towards reclassification. Let's explore the components of Language Essentials. Included in every kit, you will find the Teacher's Guide. The Teacher's Guide is divided into 2 sections: Task Practice and Test Practice. The Task Practice section offers explicit instruction and introduces teachers and students to the tasks assessed. Softly scripted lessons provide teachers with the purpose of each task, guidance on how to practice with and prepare students for each task item by deconstructing each task and modeling appropriate student output using sentence and paragraph frames. In the Test Practice section, the teacher becomes the test administrator, administering each of the tasks in a test-like environment, allowing students to show what they know. Each kit comes with 21 copies of the student book, and the student books contain practice activities that reflect the task type students will encounter on the assessment, and they mirror the lessons found in the Teacher's Guide. There are also 2 readers included, 1 fiction and 1 nonfiction, 6 copies of each. The readers are engaging, grade-level texts to accompany various task types and promote literacy and language skills. We also have digital resources, including ebooks, fillable PDFs, which are perfect for students who take the assessment in an online format, and even audio recordings of the readers and the passages to enhance learning. By using this resource, you'll be able to empower multilingual learners to confidently demonstrate their true language proficiency and move towards reclassification. What I love most about this resource is it allows teachers and students to clearly see which domains have been mastered and which need more work, making it so much easier to guide instruction in the classroom. It also supports meaningful goal setting for long-term multilingual learners by helping them track progress and focus on the specific language skills they need to advance. At the same time, it gives newcomers a structured pathway to grow across all 4 domains, allowing them to celebrate early successes and build momentum. With Language Essentials, the formula for teacher and student success is simple: instruction plus practice equals language proficiency growth. Language Essentials is user-friendly and engaging, and its flexibility allows for immediate implementation as a complement to your existing ELD curriculum or as an assessment bootcamp. To learn more, please visit our website. Thank you so much for joining me today.